What do you think are some key elements for a successful and effective maintenance program within a business?
Today's key elements are quite different than they were 20 years ago, only because of technology and because of the evolution that's come along in the maintenance industry, from communications to collaboration to things we call roadmaps and ways and means of which we can manage things versus what we had early days. So here we are, 2020, trying to figure out how to manage maintenance the same as we did back in the day. And we have some tools now available to us. And I think some of the key elements are some of the tools, some of the innovations. You know, you can look at ISO 55000. It provides a good management structure, but it doesn't give us a guide. It just gives us a structure and the understanding. Then there's other things that are out there that organizations have developed. In our organization, we hadn't done anything any different than other consulting firms or other companies who manage maintenance. We developed our own little system. Asset performance management seems to be the up and coming buzzwords. Everybody's using it, but not everybody's doing it. So anyway, we have what we call 5 domains that focus on leadership and data and strategy and investigation and work management. This all helps with focus, but in the end, you know, Ryan, it takes people to do these things, and it takes a wide range of people to do it. And I know you guys at Upkeep starting your CMMS system, it all starts with good data, and it's kind of a simple secret sauce to be successful is, you know, start with data, build from there, and then measure what you work on.
Absolutely.